Hi everyone, Victor here again, and in this lesson I'm going to be showing you how to change the default SSH port 22 on a Linux system to a different port entirely. I wrote this article in 2019 and I was just trying to update the article and I realized that I didn't make a video for this article. And that's not my thing. When I have, articles written like this, I love to make videos as well. When you scroll down to the end of the lesson of the article, you will definitely see a link to click and it will take you to the video. For that reason, I'm going to be making a video, and in this lesson, we're going to be using the Ubuntu Linux distribution. And yeah, for what I wrote in 2019, just a few things have changed, right? Just about, I think, one or two commands, right? And then you're gonna see it in this video. So without wasting too much of time, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to edit the SSH configuration file. And to do that, I can just say sudo vi etc ssh /sshd config, and you can look for where you have port 22. So to search, you can just say port 22, and then on that port 22 you can include the new port you want to use, and you can include as many ports you want. So for this lesson, we want to use port 2123, and I can save this file. So you can see that formerly port 2122 was used, and now we want to use port 2123. So when I don't save in this file, I then need to apply the changes. And if you have firewall enabled, you might also want to allow that port on your firewall. So I think I have that port allowed on my firewall, but to do that, you can just say sudo ufw allow 2123 TCP. You can see that it's keeping the rule because I have it already allowed on my firewall. And the next thing I'm going to do is to restart the daemon and SSH socket, and it depends on your SSH setup as well. But if you have systemd socket activated, which is common in the latest Ubuntu system, you would need to restart the daemon and also the SSH socket. So to do that, I'm going to say sudo systemctl daemon exec, and I'm also going to say daemon load. Then I can restart the SSH socket as well. So I can say restart ssh.socket. Now that I have this restarted, I can then test the new port. So I can do SSH. The new port is 2123, and I can do Victor localhost. Then I can input the password. So I can see that I can log into the system, the SSH port 2123. So that's how you can change the SSH port, and of course you're doing this for security reasons. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like. When you do this, you will encourage us to do more of this video, and bye for now.